What's up guys, it's your boy Umhlengi Zulu. Today I decided to respond to some of the comments I've been receiving with regards to people asking me how do I do this joint live thing, or how do I go live with another person. So I decided, let me do a tutorial video. I hope that this video is going to help a lot of people out there who have been trying to go live with another person but couldn't do it. So this video is basically for that. It's not going to be a very long video. It's just going to be a very short video. It's going to be a tutorial, and I hope it's not going to be more than 5 minutes. Okay, let's get to it, guys. I'm going to be showing you with my phone, simply because a lot of you are going live with your phones as compared to your computers or your desktops or your laptops. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, firstly, you're going to click on the live icon, go live, and then you click on the pen right there on the pen icon. Okay, and then you're going to see all the options there, and then you scroll down, and then you see where it's written go live together. You have to turn that on, right? And then you press next. Okay guys, after you go live together, press on go live together, you press next, and then you're obviously going to have to click on no, it's not meant for kids. You're selecting your audience, and then it's going to load. You can see me there, guys. And then you will have to copy invite link. Okay, copy invite link, and then you'll see at the bottom there it's going to be link copied, and then you go there at the top right where there's that share button. The top right, you press that button, and then it's gonna direct you to copy link and create post. So you'll click on create post, and automatically it's gonna send you to your community. And then you see where it wants you to post something, you click there, and then you say paste, and you press paste, and then you say post. Okay, after you've pasted that, you press post there at the top, right? And then after that, it's gonna kick you out of the live completely. And then after this, guys, you press on live again, and then you click at the top there where there's a calendar, and then it's written 1. That's where you click. You click there, and then after that you click on the live, and then you say go live now at the bottom there, guys. You press go live now at the bottom, and then it's gonna send you live, and then you'll see your screen will split like this, and then you'll just press go live. And then while you are live, you can then tell people to if anyone wants to join, you can go over to my community and click on the link on my community, and then that person will appear here. Thank you very much, guys. So there you have it, guys. It's very quick and it's very simple. Let me add a disclaimer. If you are, or if you've never been live before, YouTube will want to do a background check on your channel, simply because they want to check if everything is well with your channel and all those things. So if you are trying to do what I have taught you for the first time, if you've never been live before, YouTube will want to review your channel for like 24 hours. So I would suggest that you go ahead and try and go live immediately, simply because you are giving YouTube 24 hours to check your channel, and if everything is in order, you're not a robot and all those things. And as soon as YouTube is done that within 24 hours, then you can be able to start going live. It does not mean that you are doing this simply because you want to go live now. No, this is for the future. If you do decide to go live, maybe the following week or maybe next year, you might as well just give YouTube this chance to do a background check on your channel and check if everything is in order, and then you can be able to go live. So it is very important for you to try and go live now, so that you give YouTube enough time to check your channel and do all those things. But anyways, guys, I hope this tutorial was very helpful. I hope it wasn't as difficult as some people make it out to be. I hope I did justice to the video, and if I did, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up, turn on your notifications for when I do post other videos as well. And thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys very much. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Like I said, it's going to be 5 minutes, and it was 5 minutes. Okay, cheers guys, bye.